Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon on the grill easy method. Preheat your grill to medium-high, oil the grates, and pat the fillets dry. Season with salt, pepper, and a brush of olive oil or butter. Grill skin side down for 6-8 minutes, then flip and cook 2-4 minutes more until opaque and flaky. For extra flavor, marinate briefly or add herbs like dill before serving. Start by choosing firm, fresh salmon with bright flesh and no odor. Pat dry, then score skin if thick. Sprinkle with kosher salt, black pepper, and a light sprinkle of garlic powder. Drizzle 1-2 tablespoons of olive oil and rub gently. Let sit 10 minutes to absorb flavors while you preheat the grill. For a quick glaze, mix honey, soy sauce, and lemon zest and brush in the last minute. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and simplify decisions about saving and investing. It pairs oddly well with cooking habits. Think budgeting for quality ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Place fillet skin side down and close the lid to maintain heat. Avoid flipping during the first 6-8 minutes to allow a good sear and crisp skin. After flipping, cook for 2-4 minutes depending on thickness, checking for an internal 125 degrees F for medium or 135 degrees F for well done. Use indirect heat for very thick fillets and cover loosely to finish cooking. Serve with lemon wedges and your favorite side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.